My name's Christine, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little bag out of a turtleneck sweater. You can use a sweater or a sweater vest for this project. The only requirements are that it has a turtleneck and that the material is dense enough and will hold up well for a bag. You will also need some lace or mesh. You do want to get a lace or mesh that has a little bit of stretch to it because the sweater has a little bit of stretch to it. I bought this fabric about 5 years ago, so it is a perfect piece of fabric for me to use for the Sew Your Stash challenge that I'm participating in this year. And it doesn't matter what colors you use, but a dark lace on top of a light sweater or a light lace on top of a dark sweater will look best. So get your scissors out because it's time for another upcycling project. Lay your sweater out flat on the table. Now, draw a pattern for your bag lining up with the neckline of your pattern. Draw 2 circles about 1.5 inches apart. And extend that second circle into a wider neckline. Leaving the turtleneck intact, cut along the inside circle of your bag pattern. Fold over your mesh or lace and line the top of your bag pattern up with the selvage edge of your fabric. Then cut along the outside edge. You will also need to make a strap for your bag, so cut off the bottom of your sweater and cut it open. You will need to finish that raw fabric edge, and you can do so by wrapping it in your lace. Sew a tube out of your lace and attach it to the strap using a zigzag stitch. Next, you want to turn your bag pieces inside out and seal the raw edges. Elastic bias tape works really well to finish these edges. If your bottom edge curls, you'll know that you stretched your bias tape too much, but if it's lumpy, you'll know that you need to stretch it a little bit more. Turn your bag pieces right side out and slide your lace over the turtleneck. Fold your turtleneck in half to make sure it will cover the edge of your lace. Now you're ready to sew the lace shell to this sweater piece. Now it's time to sew on this strap. Insert the edge of the strap into the turtleneck and sew it to the seam line you just sewed with the lace. And go over it a few times to make sure it's really secure. And don't forget to double check that all of your stitches are secure. And that is how you make a bag out of a turtleneck. This strap is my favorite part. I really love the way the spiderweb mesh made this bag look. But that said, there are a lot of execution problems with this bag because I'm not really used to sewing with knit fabrics. I definitely need to fix something with the strap so that the turtleneck lays a little bit flatter around them. And I did have to redo the bias tape on the inside a few times. I strive to improve my sewing skills with every project I make, and this bag really helped me improve my knitwear sewing skills. So I hope that you'll make this project too to improve your own knitwear sewing skills. So let me know in the comments down below how your bag turned out. Leave a like on this video if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel so that we can both improve our sewing skills going forward. Thank you for watching my video, everyone. I'll see you next week.